Lesson 95.
Repeat.
News. Star.
Questions.
Can we read the news in the newspaper? Can we read the news in the newspaper? Yes, we can read the news in the newspaper. Are stars almost impossible to see during the day? Are stars almost impossible to see during the day? Yes, stars are almost impossible to see during the day. Are movie stars frequently in the news? Are movie stars frequently in the news? Yes, movie stars are frequently in the news.
Repeat.
Personal. Password.
Questions.
Are passwords personal or public? Are passwords personal or public? Passwords are personal. Why should we not share our passwords? Why should we not share our passwords? We shouldn't share our passwords because they're personal.
Repeat.
Log in. Log into a website. Log out. Username.
Questions.
Tell me 2 common items you need to log into a website. Tell me 2 common items you need to log into a website. 2 common items you need to log into a website are username and password. Before leaving a website, should you log in? Before leaving a website, should you log in? No, before leaving a website, I shouldn't log in. I should log out.
Repeat.
Offend. Offended. Offensive.
Questions.
Are some people easily offended by everything? Are some people easily offended by everything? Yes, some people are easily offended by everything. Do we sometimes offend people by accident? Do we sometimes offend people by accident? Yes, we sometimes offend people by accident. If we're angry and scream at someone, is that considered offensive? If we're angry and scream at someone, is that considered offensive? Yes, if we're angry and scream at someone, that is considered offensive.
Repeat.
Depend on. Depending.
Questions.
Do people feel offended depending if we speak or scream? Do people feel offended depending if we speak or scream? Yes, people feel offended depending if we speak or scream. In a team, do we depend on other people? In a team, do we depend on other people? Yes, in a team, we depend on other people. Do children depend on their parents for financial support? Do children depend on their parents for financial support? Yes, children depend on their parents for financial support. Do your answers depend on my questions? Do your answers depend on my questions? Yes, my answers depend on your questions.
Repeat.
To be over. Context. To last.
Explanation.
When something is over, it means it's finished. This is different from over, meaning above. You will know the difference depending on the context. To last means to continue for a period of time. For example, some wars last many years. A film can last for around 2 hours.
Questions.
If a relationship is over, is it beginning? If a relationship is over, is it beginning? No, if a relationship is over, it isn't beginning, it's finished. It's 3 p.m. and the TV program lasts for 1 hour. When will it be over? It's 3 p.m. and the TV program lasts for 1 hour. When will it be over? The TV program will be over at 4 p.m. Do some wars last for many years? Do some wars last for many years? Yes, some wars last for many years.
Repeat.
Contractions of nouns.
Explanation.
Nouns can have contractions. For example, the car is red can also be the car's red. We know if the contraction is for the word is or the word has from the context.
Questions.
Can nouns have contractions? Can nouns have contractions? Yes, nouns can have contractions. What's the contraction of Sarah has? What's the contraction of Sarah has? The contraction of Sarah has is Sarah's. What's the contraction of Sarah has been here before? What's the contraction of Sarah has been here before? The contraction of Sarah has been here before is Sarah's been here before. How do we know if the contraction is for is or has? How do we know if the contraction is for is or has? We know if the contraction is for is or has from the context.
Repeat.
Biscuit. Cookie.
Explanation.
These are called biscuits. A biscuit with small pieces of chocolate is usually called a cookie.
Questions.
Are these biscuits or cookies? Are these biscuits or cookies? These are biscuits. Are these biscuits? Are these biscuits? No, these aren't biscuits, they're cookies. Do we pronounce the letter U in the word biscuit? Do we pronounce the letter U in the word biscuit? No, we don't pronounce the letter U in the word biscuit.